Alright guys, what we just showed you is the women Saida. We'll be first showing you from this angle. Here guys, just like the other elements, it's very important to have a strong frame when you start and your feet are close together. First step for the guys is forward with your left leg. Ladies, you feel that the guy is moving forward, so you respond by stepping backwards with your right leg. On the second count is the moment, guys, that we are bringing our lady in her line, right? On the third count, we step backwards, guys, with our left leg. Ladies, you respond by stepping forward with your right leg. At this moment, if you do it correctly, you will feel contact with your legs, and to be specific, the thighs. Then, on the fourth count, guys, we will be bringing our ladies back into the neutral line, and then finishing off with a marca. And then we do 3 steps to finish the count on the 8th. So I'll show you again. You have the 1, the 2, you bring the lady out of the line. 3, guys, we step backwards. Ladies, you respond by stepping forward. On the 4, you bring your lady back into the neutral line. 5, marca, and then you finish it off with 2 steps forward and the marca on the 8th count. We will be now showing you from this angle. So you have the 1, you have the 2, ladies. Here is very important to make your second step forward and not too much to the side. You have your complete weight on your left leg at this moment. On the third count, guys, we will be stepping backwards with left. Ladies, forward with your right leg, and you have contact with the guys. On the fourth count, guys, we will be bringing our ladies back into the neutral line. Here, ladies, your left foot has to be next to the left foot of the guy. On count 5, we finish it off with a marca. And just to remain in that 8th count, some of you guys like that, you can finish it off with a frontal step and then marca on the 8th. We'll be showing you once again. So you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, marca on the 8th. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. It's pretty difficult, so take extra time to practice the women Saida.